Want to manage your community's memberships effortlessly? With Jambo, you can create flexible plans, set financial rules, accept payments online or offline, track renewals, and manage everything, all in one place. To get started, first install the app from the Apps tab. It only takes few clicks to unlock powerful features for your community. You'll see a prompt to begin setup. Click Create to start configuring. Let's start by setting up membership access, renewal rules, and unique member IDs. Offer a free trial or a grace period before renewal, allowing members to explore benefits before committing. Jambo supports both individual and corporate memberships, complete with unique membership ID formats. Enable online payments via Razorpay or accept offline payments like bank transfers, checks, and cash. Jambo also supports QR code-based payments, making transactions seamless for your members. Need to charge GST? Simply enable tax settings, add your GST number, and upload certificates. During plan creation, you can enable automated reminders before and after expiry to ensure timely renewals. Publish and personalize membership certificates that members can download anytime. Now, let's create your membership plans. Add pricing, renewal frequencies, and tax settings. Important: the membership start day defines when a member's access begins. The plan will remain available for purchase until the date set in Plan Available to Purchase Till. Plan becomes available to purchase as soon as you save, preview, and click Publish. Each member's start and end dates will depend on the option you select while setting membership duration behavior in the next step. Next, choose how membership payments should be calculated. Select entire duration to charge a fixed price, no matter when a member joins. Choose Pro Rata to charge based on the time left in the cycle, perfect for fair pricing. Or pick based on purchase date, so renewals align with when the member joins. Set the right plan type for your community and continue. You can also set a different renewal amount, ideal if you want to offer discounted renewals or loyalty pricing. For example, charge a lower amount after the first cycle or increase it after an introductory offer. By default, it matches the original price, but you can customize it as needed. The new amount will apply from the next renewal cycle, monthly, yearly, or whichever frequency you've selected. Decide which features and private groups are accessible based on membership level. Get a clear overview of active memberships, pending payments, and overdue renewals at a glance. Easily verify offline payments and confirm transactions with just a few clicks. Have unassigned members? Quickly assign them a plan, add discounts or penalties, and set their membership start date. Use filters to track memberships by payment status and follow up as needed. Export membership data, payment summaries, and financial reports with a single click. Members can track their payment history, download invoices, and view their membership details anytime. Managing memberships has never been easier. Start simplifying your community subscriptions today with Jambo. See you in the next tutorial.